In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search in Google Sheets. Let's say you have a lot of information or data in your sheet and you're looking for something specific. Now doing that manually, searching from top to bottom can be a task. Now I will be showing you how to do it in a faster way. Let's go to your keyboard and you'll be pressing the keys Ctrl and F. Go ahead and do that. And you will have a search bar pop down. This is where you will input the information that you're searching for. Let's say we're looking for someone named Kevin. As you see, I've entered the letter K, and a lot of cells are highlighted with the letter K. But since we're searching for Kevin, we're going to input his name, and there you have it. Kevin is highlighted. Now let's say you're searching for something else like a date. Here we have February and date, and there you go. February 12 is highlighted on this cell. And that's how to search in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.